Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we will show you how to remove and replace rear interior door handle on Chevy Equinox or Pontiac Torrent. That's the one I'm talking about. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to remove that and how to replace it. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe, let's grow that channel together. Okay, first guys, there is one screw that we will need to remove right there with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, check it out. Let me turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. And after that we will need to pry a little bit towards the front in the middle, right here. Pry in and then pry it out. You need to pull the door handle and pull the piece out, just like that. Okay, next we need to remove that trim because there is hidden bolts, screws underneath it. So if you start on the bottom, okay, pry it like that. It will come loose. Okay, you can see it's really tight guys, so don't pull on the plastic, try to pry the clips. Okay, you pull towards the back at the very end. Now underneath right here we have two screws with a 10mm socket that we'll need to remove. Okay, one is there and one is towards the front. Okay, this one is loose. Now we have the one there. Okay, now on the bottom right there is a place where you can place a screwdriver. Okay, and pry the initial pry that will release a few clips. That way you can start prying the door panel. Okay, once you do that you can get your fingers underneath and start pulling. Once we remove it guys, we'll show you exactly where all the clips are. Okay, this one there as well. Now I think we'll need to remove that cap. Just with a prying tool, okay, you can pull it out like that. And now there is, I think, 2 or 3 clips here. Okay, like that. So let us explain where the clips are. Towards the front, okay, that's the top part. And then you go down, okay, like that. Perfect. Okay, next we will need to cut the glue for that foam. Okay, foam insulation, that's the one that prevents cold wind noises coming inside the cabin. So don't pull on it too much because you'll break it. You need to cut the glue. It reseals when you press it in really hard. After that, if it doesn't for some reason, you can use silicone to install it later. Okay, it's out of there now. You can see it came in one piece, that's a good thing. So now in order to remove the door handle assembly, you need a T30 socket guys, right there. Okay, we'll need to remove that screw there and the one on the back. Perfect. Now we'll need to use an 8mm. Some models might differ the size of the nuts, bolts and things like that. But as a whole the procedure will be very close and almost the same. Okay, right there. We got this one out now. Okay. And now we can, what we need to do right here, we can unhook them from the bottom. Okay, like that. And you can pull this one out. This is the one that locks, unlocks and opens the doors as well, the top one. And if it's too tight, you can release them from here so we can gain a little bit of room. Okay, like that, so we can bring them on the side. Okay, so this one, what we'll need to do, we will need to turn it. Okay, you can see like that. So we can pull that metal out. We'll need to disconnect the lock and unlock button. And this is the interior door handle guys. That's how you remove it. You put back together everything in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.